Well, this is AgentKit or Agent Builder from OpenAI, and this tool is quite amazing if you want to create a custom AI agent workflow and you want to utilize some technologies from OpenAI into your product. But even though the allure of this tool is to make it easier to create a custom AI agent, this tool is definitely not for everyone. I've talked about this on my previous video, but basically, there are some huge barriers for anyone who are interested to create an AI agent using AgentKit. One example is you have to create a developer account on OpenAI. You also have to verify your identity by providing your national ID or driving license, and also you have to create a verification video, and not to mention you have to pay $5 to top up your OpenAI account, and you can enjoy this agent builder to start creating an AI agent. And basically it is still very challenging. This is not for everyone, and the only way you can test or use this agent that you created is by implementing that agent into a sort of application or website. So again, it is not for everyone. This is mostly created for developers. But if you are still interested to create an AI agent, a custom AI agent, and you want to create a simple application that utilizes that agent, then there is a far better, far easier tool that you can use, and it is also free. The name of the tool is Google Opal. So recently they just expanded the access, and now this no-code agent builder is available in more countries like Canada, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, and many others. So if you live in any of these countries, then congrats, you don't have to use a VPN anymore, because this tool is used to be only available in the US. But now it is available to more countries, and I'm hoping that in the near future, everyone, no matter the country, can start utilizing this AI tool. So to use it, you can navigate to opal.withgoogle.com. And I guess I will do a quick demonstration where I will create one simple app using this tool, and you'll see it is going to be much easier. And by the way, there are some examples that were created by the Google Opal team, and if you're interested to check out some examples, you can open them and you can actually preview and use the AI agent or the app that were created by the team. Now in this case, I'll just create a brand new app. I'm going to click this button, and one thing that I like about Google Opal is there is actually a feature where you can describe the agent or the tool that you want to create. So if you're not a fan of creating nodes or connecting from one item to another, and you just want to use a natural language, then you can use it. You can describe the app that you want to create, and this tool will build one for you. So that's pretty amazing. But in this case, I'll just use the manual version. I'll just create the app manually, and you'll see that even that is still quite easy and can be done in just a few minutes. So I'm going to name the app as Give Advisor. So basically, it will ask users about the name of the person, the age, and interests and gender, something like that. And then AI will gather some data from the web and will suggest what is the most appropriate gift based on the person profile. So that's basically the goal of the app. Now here, I'm going to insert user input. Okay, this one is going to be the name. And what is the name of the person? And here for the advanced settings, I'm going to select just text answer. And now let's add another user input. The next one is, let's say, what is their age? Actually, just age. And again, this is going to be text. Next is perhaps interest or hobby or occupation, but I want to keep things simple, so perhaps it is the gender. Actually, gender is not necessary because from the name alone, people can tell the gender of the person. So I guess this one is probably occupation. What is their occupation? And the settings input would be text again. And now I'm going to be using the generate node. This is where the AI will process all the input. So let me just connect everything right here. This, then this. That's pretty good. Now, here I'm going to use Gemini 2.5 less, and also using the web features. So there is AI agent. You can let AI to search the web, search or suggest, just give ideas based on the following information, and then it will include the name of the person, the age, and the occupation. Okay, so far so good. Now finally I'm going to provide the output. So it is actually quite simple. I'm going to connect this. By the way, I forgot to label this as, let's call this one give research, and this is the output. Let's call this one give suggestion. Now this is actually the content. It's give research. It's based on this, so it's just for outputting or displaying the answer from AI. Now here I'm going to use web page with auto layout. It's going to make the content looks way prettier, but of course you can also select other formats. Let me select this, and yeah, that's basically it. I don't have to provide any prompt. You can use it, but it is not necessary, and that's about it. Yeah, it's as simple as that. And yeah, let's preview the app anyway. So just give a visor. Let me just click start. Let's call the person Joe, and the age is 30, and the occupation, let's say he works as accountant. Now it is thinking, it is doing the web search on the internet, getting some data, and will provide the appropriate gift based on the details like name, age, and occupation. So this interface, even though it is somewhat similar to AgentKit from OpenAI, I gotta say this is a million times better, easier to use, and not as complicated as the one from AgentKit. There aren't many buttons or links or menus. It's very simple, and I'm hoping that they will keep it that way, because that's a goal of this AI tool, which is making an AI agent workflow to be as simple as possible. Perhaps you can even use an app for your organization based on this technology. And there you go. So this is the answer. It's not quite pretty, but it is still acceptable. So this is the answer based on the research and also the information that was provided by the user. As you can see, it provides some answers or suggestions based on that. And yeah, this is actually something that I can use if I want to give someone who's with the age of 30 and has the occupation as an accountant. So yeah, that's pretty good. And of course, there are other things that you can do. You can change the theme or the color of the app, and a slew of other things that you can check out. Like there is the console. If you want to check if there's any error in the system, you can see it in this area. And yeah, that's basically it. And of course, you can share the app to your friends. Just make it to public, and then you can copy and paste or share the link to your friends. So it's really simple, not as complicated as the AgentKit from OpenAI. And I highly recommend using this tool before you jump into the agent builder from OpenAI. So that's basically how you can use the Google Opal tool to create a simple AI agent in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.